In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Canon LBP 2900B printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to proceed to the description box below. You'll be able to see a link there. Just have to copy it and open any of the browser that is being available here in your Windows 11. So it could be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, and more. So just have to select any of that, and the moment you have copied it, please paste it here at the address bar and you would be navigated to this kind of window. So here you'd be able to see a drop down menu. Click on this down arrow key and select for Windows 11. So scroll down and find for it. However, if Windows 11 is not available for this for this printer driver, just select for Windows 10 x64 since Windows 10 x64 works well with Windows 11. So it will automatically search for this printer driver. Click on this link. The moment you've clicked on it, okay, you would be able to be navigated to a new window where here you can see this download button. So click on this download. In my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. So to check the download progress, you can navigate to the top right corner. You can see their download icon, and there you can check if it's being downloaded. Once completed, click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So while selecting it, make a right click, click on the cut icon, close the windows being opened, and here at the desktop, please make a right click and click on paste. Now once you have pasted the file here, you need to extract it. So double tap to extract or unzip the file, or either make a right click and use the WinRAR tool or program to extract this one. So wait until you'll get that option. Once it's here, go with WinRAR and go with extract to LBP2900. So once a new file folder has been created, we will now proceed to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. Okay, so here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Now at the settings, directly proceed to the left side, go with Bluetooth and devices, click on it, and go with the printers and scanners, and you'll get to see this option called add device. Click on this one. The moment you click on it, wait until you'll get that option where you can manually add a printer. Once it's here, click on add manually. And in a few moments, you will be able to bring up this window. Please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB port. So it could be one, two, or three. Then go with the next button here. And then you need to go with have disk. So go with the browse here. And then you need to proceed to the desktop since save there. Okay. So click on the desktop next to home, scroll down, find the extracted file, double tap, go with the x64 here, go with the drivers, and there you can see the drivers. Click on open and click on the OK. Once you find it that one, go with next and please rename it. So in my case, I'll be renaming it 2900B. You might wonder why would it appear here only LBP 2900 instead of 2900P, because 2900 supports with 2900B. They are exactly the same, so you might be confused about it. So go with next and you can now start the installation. Please wait until this would be done. Once completed, click on next. Go with finished, and there you have it. You have just successfully installed the Canon LBP 2900B in your printer, in your Windows 11. So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.